birds in all the trees. Every insect and every leaf is important too. Here's what we must do. Tell everybody that it's not okay to let the forest just burn away. Got to say it loud, got to say it proud.